Oops, I forgot I had the speed activated. Well, my name is Crystal and I'm gonna be starting a new YouTube channel this summer. I'm really excited to start it. I'm gonna be making crazy videos. I'm gonna be talking a lot because that's what I do best. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and stay tuned. Also, I have an accent, so if you dare make fun of me, I'll do absolutely nothing about it. No, really, don't make fun of me. Oh yeah, and I'm really sorry for the quality of this video. It's a selfie video and I'm using my phone, and the reason is because I'm charging my camera and I didn't want to use it right now, but you know, it's still a video. Stay tuned.